Hello everybody, this is a video on how to add contract address into your Okx wallet. Now this is our Okx application. I'm going to open it. Then, like in my previous videos, I taught you all that there are two sections of wallets inside your Okx app. Now this is the one we're going to be using. I'm going to be using the Web3 wallet, which is the one you find at the top here. Okay, so we're going to tap on wallet now. I need to switch to Web3. Now we're going to be importing the contract address first of all. So for us to do that, we need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on this button that says manage crypto. Okay, manage crypto. We tap on it. Then we're going to click on custom crypto. Remember, this is how to add a contract address into your Okx wallet. So tap on custom crypto. Then we switch this network to the required network. The required network for this particular project is called BNB. So we tap on this to switch it to BNB. Then in this contract address section here, we're going to paste the contract address. So you can also find the contract address in the description of this video below. So this is the contract address. Then here we have the symbol and the decimal. Then we click on confirm to confirm it. Confirm. And now that is how to add a contract address to your Okx wallet. All right, so this is it at the bottom here. Okay, you all are welcome. Make sure to like this video, share with your community members to teach them how to import a contract address into their Okx wallet, and at the same time how to differentiate the two types of wallet in the Okx. You're welcome. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and follow for more videos like this.